Law of chemical combination.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates from LearnFatafat.com.
Dear students, in ancient times, there lived a philosopher named Maharshi Kannad who presented an interesting fact about matter. According to his theory, a matter or padarth is something that can be divided and redivided into smaller particles till it reaches to situation when further division is impossible. This smallest particle was named as Parmanu.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on LearnFatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Same theory was found by Greek philosophers Democritus and Leucippus independently. They call these smallest particles as atoms. These theories increased interest of scientists, which helped them to differentiate between elements and compounds. Ultimately, with knowledge of elements and compounds and experimentations, scientists Antony L. Levizur and L. Proust presented two laws of chemical combination. Law of conservation of mass. Consider an example where hydrochloric acid reacts with sodium hydroxide to form sodium chloride, that is, common salt and water. Here, masses of reactants are, while that of product are. But when you add mass of both the reactants and both the products respectively, you will notice that addition of masses of reactants is same as addition of masses of product. This is the law of conservation of mass, which states that in chemical reaction, mass can neither be created nor be destroyed. Let us have a look on activity to understand law of conservation of mass. Law of constant proportions.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on LearnFatafat Android app. Download the app now.
It states that in a chemical substance, all elements are present in definite proportion. If you take water from tap and water from pot, both will have 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen in it. Mass of oxygen is 16 gram and mass of 2 hydrogen is 2 into 1, that is 2 gram. So ratio of mass of hydrogen to mass of oxygen is 2:16, that is 1:8 gram. That is, irrespective of its source, water will have constant proportion of 1:8. As these laws were proposed on basis of experimentation, there was need to provide proper explanation. Hence, a British chemist, John Dalton, explained these laws with the help of term atom in his atomic theory.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on LearnFatafat Android app. Download the app now.
According to Dalton's atomic theory, matter is made up of tiny particles called as atom. Atom are indivisible particles that are neither created nor destroyed. They are just rearranged during a chemical reaction. Atoms of same element have same mass, size and chemical properties. Atoms of different element will have different mass, different size and different chemical properties. Atoms combines in whole number ratio to form a compound. The relative number and kind of atoms are constant in compounds. So here we completed this topic. Thanks for watching this video.
Like, share and subscribe LearnFatafat.com and press the bell icon to never miss an updates from LearnFatafat.com.